how to turn on or turn off wireless power sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on battery, then scroll down and tap on wireless power sharing. Next, at the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off wireless power sharing. Now, so that in order for you to share your battery power, just put the center of your phone back with another device. If you have trouble connecting or charging is low, remove any cover from each device. Down here is the battery limit. You can also set the battery limits so that the other device does not suck up all the juices from your main Galaxy device. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.